Hi guys! So, I just arrived at my hotel. This is in 4 Points by Sheraton in Tung Chung. So, this was provided by the company that hired me. This was provided by the company that hired me, Hong Kong Airlines. So this is our hotel. Let me show you guys around. So on your right, this is the bathroom. So nice. This will be my home for 7 days. This is the little pantry. I got my vitamins there. My luggages. I already placed my outfit for the training. Then this is the bedroom. Nag-unpack na ako dito. This is the view outside my hotel. So nice, right? I'm very excited, but at the same time, I'm nervous because this will be my first time working abroad. Your girl, isa nang ganap na OFW. So samahan niyo ko guys with my journey to being a cabin crew with Hong Kong Airlines. Ayan, samahan niyo muna ako. Mamimili ako sa 7-Eleven kasi nagugutom na ako. Wala akong food. May food naman, pero mga chichirya lang dala ko. And cream, and oatmeal. Nagdala ko ng bag. Kasi dito sa Hong Kong ay wala silang plastic or eco bag. Mayroong plastic pero magbabayad ka pala. Sorry. So, wag na. Nagdala na lang. Let's go. Medyo malayo yung puno sa elevator. That's fine. May water dispenser pala doon. So, ako bibili ng tubig. Kasi may nakita ako 7-Eleven there. Ayun. I don't know if pwedeng tumawid dito, pero may mga tumawid kanina. So, I guess, tatawid ako. Si lawbreaker naman. Kasi, ayun, may mga tumatawid. So, I think it's fine. How much? Lamig. Super lamig. I think this is my weather. Kunin natin ang ating tumbler. Hindi pa ako nagdala ng bobo ko kasi hindi ko pa dinala yung thermos para sa aking noodles. So, babalik uli ako para magpuno ng thermos. Yan. Success ang ating mission. Noodles. Sabi, nakalapilin ng OFW. Noodles lang kinakain. Anyways, it's the fastest that we can eat. Let's eat, guys. The unhealthy food. Napahiga na ako, nakapag-shower na din ako. And, ayun lang naman. Tomorrow is my first day. So, hopefully, okay naman lahat ng mga kailangan kong gawin. And, that's it. This is living in Hong Kong. Bye, guys.